The United Nations is considering a massive overhaul that would merge the major departments and shift resources across the globe, according to an internal memo prepared by the senior officials tasked with the reforming of the UN body. Also, the high-level review comes after the UN agencies scrambled to cope up with the fallout from the US foreign aid cuts under the President Donald Trump that have gutted the humanitarian agencies. Also, the six-page document marked the strictly confidential and also reviewed by the Reuters contain a list of what it terms the suggestion that would consolidate dozens of UN agencies into four primary major departments, that is the peace of security, humanitarian efforts, sustainable development and the human rights. Under one option, for example, the operational aspect of the World Food Programme, the UN Child's Agency and the United Nations World Health Organization and the UN Refugee Agency would be merged into a single humanitarian agency, it said. Also, the memo contains a range of suggestions, some large, some small, some speculative, which if all adopted would represent the most sweeping reform in decades. Also, it suggests merging the UN AIDS agency into the WHO and reducing the need for up to 6 translators at meeting. Another suggestion proposes consolidating the World Trade Organization, which is not a UN entity, with the United Nations development agencies. WTO spokesperson Ismail Ading said that the body was established by a separate international agreement and operates independently. It is not part of the ongoing discussions on the UN reform. Matthew Saltmarsh, spokesperson from the UNHCR, said that the agency had a unique mandate in protecting the refugees. Also, one official familiar with the memo called it the starting point. Significant overlaps, but the language of the internal self-assessment appears to confirm that both supporters and critics of the global body have long said that the United Nations needs streamlining and reforms. In the series of observations, the memo refers to the overlapping mandates, inefficient use of the resources, fragmentation and duplication, and notes a bloating of senior position. It describes systematic challenges and the UN faces problem exacerbated by the United Nations General Assembly that continues to aid the mission and the programs. Increased mandate, often without clear exit strategies, and complexities have led to significant overlaps and inefficiencies and increased cost, the document has said. The memo was prepared by a task force appointed in the March by the Secretary General, that is Antonio Guterres, who said that at the time the body needed to make itself more